Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah and today's video is going to be my Sephora November unboxing. So if you are unfamiliar with the Sephora Play Box subscription, it is a monthly $10 subscription that you can do through Sephora. You can sign up online at Sephora.com. They have a little questionnaire that you fill out that it really personalizes to your specific skin type. If you have dry skin, oily skin, your hair type, what color of hair you have, what concerns you have with your skin, and you can make it a little bit more personalized just to your needs. So for example, I have really dry skin, so I tend to get a little bit more products that are a little bit more geared towards dry skin. So let's dig into what I got this month for November. So the nice thing is they do email you when it is on its way, so you can track the shipping, but you can also get a little email just before you get it, so you can kind of sneak peek at all the items that you got. So I always kind of do that just to kind of be like, ooh, what am I getting? I'm super excited. So it does come in a little plastic bag. A while ago, they were coming in like little cloth bags that had a string that you would close it, which I thought was really cute, but then you had all these like string bags and you didn't really know what to do with it. So I like that they changed it to this because I don't feel bad throwing this away. So all your products come in here. It also comes with a little newsletter. It has a crossword puzzle on it, a word search, and all these kind of little fun things if you're bored and you want to do something like this. But on the back, it kind of explains to you all the 6 products that you got. You do get 5 sample sizes and 1 bonus every single month. And it talks to you about how to use them, why you got them, was it specific for your hair type, like this one product I got, and it just explains every single product in detail. So the first product I got is a little diamond glow powder from Artist Couture or Artiste Couture. I'm not entirely sure how to pronounce it, but it is this little loose pigment powder. It's kind of in a rose gold kind of a color. It is and they say the color is Yes. And what it says is that you can use this as a highlighter if needed, or over your eyelids, anywhere that you want a little bit extra shimmer. So I love products like this. I love them specifically for just putting them on top of my eyelid. I like to do kind of a one shadow look a lot of the times and kind of put a little bit of bronzer in my crease. So this is a great product and it will be nice for the holiday season too. Second product I got is from Sephora London. It is its Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. It says it is comfort, brighten, and prep your skin for long-lasting makeup, which is, right up my alley. It soothes your senses with the sense of watermelon. Ooh. I like new hydrating primers, and I like getting the small sample size too, because you get to kind of try out all the different kinds of primers there are before finding one that you really like. So I'm excited to give this one a try. My third sample is one that I currently own at the moment. It is the Deva Curl Melt Into Moisture Butter Conditioning Mask. This is the matcha butter one. I actually really enjoy using this, and I go back and forth between the Briogeo one and this one because I will always use a conditioning mask in the winter time. But I like this one because it definitely gears a little bit more towards wavy curly hair, which I do. If my hair air dries, it's just going to be kind of that kind of messy wave, and this kind of controls it a little bit, which is nice. Ooh, so the fourth one I'm excited about. I love when you get skincare in the Sephora Play Boxes because skincare is really expensive. It is also one thing that I really like to play around with. This is the Skin Fix Redness Recovery Antioxidant Treatment Overnight Mask. I love that because I don't have to do any kind of washing off with doing a mask. And I've never really heard of Skin Fix before, so I'm excited. And it's specifically for redness, which is kind of something I put on the little questionnaire thing of one of my skin concerns. I have a little bit of redness around here and around here and around my nose. So to have something to kind of fight against that, I'm really looking forward to using this. Yes, and another skincare. This is my 5th sample is from Kiehl's. It is a Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. I actually really like water creams. I think there is one brand that makes a really good one. I think it's from Peter Thomas Roth. They make a water serum that is phenomenal. So I'm excited to try a different kind of water serum slash water cream. I really like the brand Kiehl's, and this is a pretty decent sample size. So this is going to give me several uses to see if I really like it, and if this is what I want to purchase versus the Peter Thomas Roth one. So we shall see. And then you always get a bonus. It could be a lot of times a fragrance sample or a hair sample or a, it could be pretty much anything. But this month, the sample bonus is Versace The Bright Crystal perfume sample, which I actually ran out of all perfume. I'm kind of holding off until like holiday season, Black Friday coming up to kind of make the splurge at doing a new fragrance. But until then, a little sample size is going to get me a long way. Let's give this a try. Okay, so it says that the notes are pomegranate, peony, and then iced accord. I can definitely smell the fruitiness of it, but it's nice, and it's a perfume sample, and like I said, I was completely out of all perfume, so that's going to be nice to have, especially to put in like my gym bag and everything. So yeah, those are my 6 samples for this November Sephora Play Box. I highly recommend this subscription box. Nowadays, there's millions of different options of what to do for subscription boxes. There's fashion ones, there's food ones, there's magazine ones, the list goes on and on and on and on and on. But what I like about the Sephora one is it's actually products I use. And it's nice because I don't have to make a huge purchase in the store to see if I like something or not. Or sometimes there's samples that you can get for too small to really give it a good trial. So I like, for example, like these moisturizers that you really get a decent size sample, and it's only $10 a month. So for me, it's kind of nice to really kind of give new brands a try that I would never kind of like have an interest towards. So I think that's really cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick little Sephora unboxing. Comment down below if you do this and what you got in your box, or what is your favorite subscription box that you are subscribed to. Like, what is something that you recommend for me? Also, side note, who's watching all this Disney Plus right now, and I need a little recommendation, because it can get a little overwhelming scrolling through all those options and be like, oh my gosh, look at all this nostalgia of Disney that I grew up with. I love it. But it can be a little overwhelming. So comment down below what you are watching on Disney Plus right now. But I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.